Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Are you going to try to pick up a contract here at... Uh-oh. Great. What did I get filled at? All right, well, I'm still having internet issues here. I don't know if you noticed that, but it was... it paused and then went... So I'm not going to panic out. I only have one contract, so that's the good news here. If it wants to give a little bit more of a bounce, like I said. All right, I've putzed around on this one enough. Let's see if I can just... At this point, maybe get out, break even. Looks like it might want to potentially bounce here. Again, I'm glad I just did the one contract. Oh, see how it's paused there again? Well, try to get out. There we go. So break even trade. And I think that might, and there I would have been okay, but I think I don't think I can move forward here. Too difficult with this, but I'll keep an eye on it. And if it looks like it wants to remain consistent, then great. Although there's a potential trade here on Tesla that I can maybe make. Yeah, 180. Nope. See how it's paused again? Look over here. Nothing's moving. And then it moves. That's why if I do take any more trades, it's going to have to be relatively small size, and then just get a stop loss or right there. See, again, just frozen up there. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 21 here to try to buy this move down. Again, just a contract. Let's see if it wants to come down a bit more. I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 1770. For a call. I will keep an eye on it. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 21. Okay, I think at this point I can try to maybe even get a little bit better. Oh, and that fast back down it goes. Well, I had the right idea. Rejection off that trend line. I just didn't quite have the right entry point chosen. We'll see if it wants to go back up there. At this point, let's go to 20. Just double checking. Yeah, 20. All right, I'll pause. Okay, approaching 20 maybe. Getting close. See if I can get filled. I'm on the best bid. Was on the best bid. There we go. In. See what it wants to do. And took me out for just a quick $50. Again, still kind of tiptoeing around a little bit. But I will repeat the process again at 1850. So we'll see what happens. Again, next order in at 1850. I will pause for now. All right, I'm going to try to capture some momentum here. Looking for a bit of a bounce back up. Hopefully I get filled, and then this thing resumes its move back to the downside. Like I said, I needed to come up. And yep, never mind. So at this point, never mind on puts. Let's hop over here to potentially play some calls. So we'll see if this thing wants to get a little bit more violent to the downside. I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 1750. I'm in. Okay, a stronger move here. Okay, I'm going to put an order out there at 1720. See what it wants to do. Don't want to panic out and sell at highs. Might add another up here and then just go with a very tight stop. Yeah, let's try that. There we go. Let's see if this thing does want to pull back at all. Gonna give it a little bit more time. Again, I'm only at 2 contracts, so nothing crazy. Let's see if it at least wants to push back a little bit. Now I could add some more, but wow. This thing is just going straight up. Okay, so it took off 1 at 14 for a loss. Right now I'm just in loss management mode, not trying to make money on this one or anything. Just trying to mitigate the loss as much as possible. So out there for a $350 loss. Now, who knows? Maybe this thing comes all the way back down and I could sit here and say, oh, look, that would have been a winning trade. And that's fair. But at some point, you just got to say, you know what? I'm not going to panic out and take, a max loss. But you do have to manage, you know what? I'm going to manage the loss. And that's what I did there. So sure, I completely admit this thing could roll back down and I could play. Wow. And it would have, just like that. Holy smokes. Remember, I didn't average a 1650, and just like that, it's. But my original entry point was not good enough. I added one more there. That still wasn't good enough. But that's just how it goes sometimes. I don't think I was recording for that last one. But I just took another trade, just $50. Didn't really work out. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. The good news is the internet seems to be stabilizing out, which is good news. But yeah, overall, like I said on that one, just had to go into loss management mode. I'm sorry if I just talked about it in the video. I can't remember because it's been several minutes since then. But so sometimes you realize you got to take a loss, but you have to take like a max loss on it. Probably not. But you do still have to take a loss, and that's what I mean by loss management mode. Granted, in that one, I could have played the hindsight game, and I would have been okay, but that's all hindsight. But, you got to always remember within trading, there are situations where, yeah, you got to take the max loss, but there are some where you don't necessarily have to take the max loss, but you do have to take a loss, and that's what you saw right there. So, loss management mode is what, I'll probably maybe that's what I'll name this one, loss management mode, because that's, like I said, what I had to do here. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these, if you appreciate the transparency, I don't like to post losing trades. I want to just post winning trades, but losing trades happen, and part of losing trades, part of managing risk sometimes is what you saw here. Just manage the losses. Don't take max losses if you don't have to, but still take a loss. And, when you don't completely panic out and, sell bottoms or sell tops, then you can still, penny saved is a penny earned, and that's what I was looking to do here. So instead of taking that absolute worst case scenario loss, stayed calm, let the price come up a little bit, and then, manage to quote unquote only take the loss that I did. But overall, down 300 on the day. I'll survive. I'll be okay. So like I said, if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you appreciate the transparency, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.